Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through what to do if your phone is slow. Here are some practical steps you can follow if your Android phone is running slow. First, restart your phone. Hold your power button, then choose reboot or restart. Simple reboot clears temporary files and frees up memory. Close unused apps. Swipe up or use the Recent Apps button to close apps running in the background. Clear app cache. Go to Settings, App Management, App List, then App Name, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Uninstall unused apps. Remove apps you no longer use to free up space in memory. Delete unnecessary files. Clean up large files, downloads, and old media from File Manager by using the Delete option. Move files to cloud or SD card. Transfer photos or videos to Google Drive or an SD card to reduce internal storage use. Disable or remove bloatware. Go to Settings again, App Management, then App List, tap on Unused App, and toggle off App Activity if unused. Tap on Force Stop or tap and install unused system apps if possible. Turn off auto-sync for unneeded apps. Limit background syncing via settings, accounts or users and accounts. Toggle off automatic sync app data. Use light versions of apps. Try Messenger Lite, Gmail Go, or Facebook Lite for lower memory usage. Limit or remove widgets. Too many home screen widgets slow down performance. Keep it minimal. Reset app preferences. In Settings, go to App Management, App List, tap the three-dot menu, then tap Reset App Preferences. Bonus tip: use your phone's built-in device care or optimizer like Samsung or Xiaomi for quick cleanups. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.